Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Iron and Steel Chemistry World. So today we are discussing about silica by gravimetric analysis and how to prepare a liquid sample, how to analyze the silica by gravimetric method. So please watch carefully.
Please take SRM 691. It has silica 3.70. In the sample accurately 1 gram after free from the moisture. Take a clean beaker. Transfer whole 1 gram of sample with accuracy by using a brush. Use a hydrochloric acid concentrated. Measure with the measure cylinder approximately 25 ml. Transfer into a sample contained beaker. Take a 1:1 nitric acid. ml. Transfer into beaker. Stir a sample 1 or 2 minutes. Place it on the center of the hot plate. Allow for digestion. After 1 hour digestion completed, allow for baking. Allow for evaporation. Final 1 drop on the top of watch glass until baking is completed. Recollection with 1:1 HCl. Add a 50 ml distilled water. Allow to boil for 5 minutes. Use star folded Wattman 40 filter paper. Use hot water only. Transfer the solution into a filter paper carefully. Don't allow to overflow. Use 60-degree angle. Use policeman for recollecting trace silica. Wash the policeman with hot water. Use dilute hydrochloric acid for filter paper wash. Use very warm water for filter paper washing until yellow color disappear. Filter paper washing completed. Take a empty crucible. Initial weight. It is 19.2137. Use clean hand gloves. Transfer whole filter paper into the platinum crucible. Use 900 degrees centigrade. Silica burning is completed. it called a insoluble residue or acid residue. Transfer whole platinum into the vein balance. Insoluble residue weight is equal to 19.2607. After subtraction 0.0470. Use a 1:9 sulfuric acid, 2 drops. Use 40% hydrofluoric acid. Initially add 10 drops. Allow to fumigation. Fumigation completed. Add 40% HF, 1 to 2 ml. Kept into a muffle furnace at 900 degrees centigrade. Allow for cooling. Add 1 to 2 ml hydrofluoric acid 40%. Allow for baking. Kept into a muffle furnace at 900 degrees centigrade for 7 minutes. After allow to cooling. Take a second HF weight. It is 19.2253. We are already taken first HF 19.2282. So after subtraction it gives 0.0354. Use K2S2O7 potassium disulfate. Don't use K2S2O5. Use only K2S2O7. Otherwise you can use sodium carbonate also, or otherwise you can use fusion mixture even. Add K2S2O7 2 spatulas. For quick fusion we are using K2S2O7 potassium disulfate or potassium pyrosulfate. After fusion completion, allow to cool. Kept whole platinum into a filtrate solution. After cleaning, remove the platinum. Pour a whole solution into a 250 ml standard flask. After makeup completion up to 250 mark, your liquid solution is ready. Review for the calculations. Your insoluble silica is equal to 4.70. Why? Because 0.0470 into 100 divided by weight of sample. We are taking weight of the sample 1.00 grams. So here second HF W2 is equal to W2 into 100 divided by 1.00 grams weight of sample. W2 is equal to 0.0354 into 100 divided by weight of sample 1 gram is equal to 3.54. So our insoluble residue is equal to 4.70, pure silica is equal to 3.54. But we have actually value 3.70 from SRM 691 or mean standard value plus or minus 0.3. Here I have mentioned silica calculation. If you love this video, please like and subscribe our channel.